Previously on Survivor. First individual immunity challenge has finally commenced. From this time on, it's going to be an individual effort to stay in the game. Everybody has displayed exemplary will in the previous game, which lasted for an hour and a half. Ryan and Casey rises to the top, yet Ryan emerged victorious, saving him from the chopping block. Going to the first tribal council as a merged tribe, Rainbow Tribe outnumbered the Sunshine Tribe, requiring the latter to appeal and persuade their loved ones in forming a new alliance. But in the end, Harl and Casey have proven their loyalty to their tribe, sending Kat as the first member of the jury. They have shown that blood is not always thicker than water.
Sabi lang, baka hindi na tayo kasali. Ano ba? Upa naman ako. Kaya meron sa ano. Baka gusto pa nilang kalaban ako dito.
Okay, come in guys. Oh. Alright, Rayan, please give me back the immunity necklace. Okay, immunity necklace is back up for grabs for today's challenge. It's called Pesky Plate. It's a food eating competition. You will race to get down local delicacies. You will compete on a series of elimination round. Last person left standing wins. Okay, so very easy. Kainin nyo kung nasa plate. Tapos show me your empty mouth. Kung sino yung una, pasok siya sa next round. Series of elimination. Alright, okay, let's start. First round, reveal. These are black ants. First 7 to finish with an empty mouth.
Yes.
Survivors ready?
Ready!
Go! Show me an empty mouth. Maylin, clear. Karel in. Karel in. Hard in. Carla in. Oh, wala na. Out na. Jen, Casey out. Okay. First 5. Show me an empty mouth. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ay, reveal pa lang.
Yan yung pinipin.
These are grasshoppers. Grasshoppers. Alright. Survivors ready?
Survivors ready!
Kinakain pa ni Prin.
Go!
Oo, kinakain ni Prin yan. Kaya kainin mo na.
Show me an empty mouth if you're done.
Raise your
Ang
hand.
hirap niyang lunokin. Meron pa.
Clear. Atras na. Rhea, clear. Meron pa, sa dulo.
Meron pa. Hard, in.
Maylin, Karen, in. Wala. Okay, huwag mo lang i-release. Top 2 ang kukunin, okay? Top 2. So, tatlo ang may eliminate. Okay?
Tatlo ba eliminate?
Okay. Reveal. These are silkworms. Silkworms.
Piece of cake.
Okay. Survivors ready?
Ready.
Go! Rhea.
Gumagapang.
Abang.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Show me an empty mouth if you're done.
It's your hand, ha?
Sarap sa
Parang madulas-dulas pa. Rayan, in. Carla, in.
Wala na.
Okay, out.
Top 2. Sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Guys.
Masarap.
Pa-experience naman ng immunity. Paray na paray na. Kapatid!
Yellow! Rainbow versus sunshine.
Safe for the second tribal council of the Mercy.
Lakas ni Rayan.
Ito lang tingnan nyo. Alright. 1, 2, 3,
Survivors reveal.
These are giant water bugs. Survivors ready?
Ready!
Go!
Go, Rayan. Uy! Susunod. Carla. Ay!
Parang ipis niya na pinapatay sa bahay.
Yeah. Mas malaki pa.
Mas malaki na.
Parang grandmother niya lang.
Yung feeling bata ito.
Meron pa.
Kung hindi tayo sasuka ko, hindi ka pa manunod. Kadiri! For the first time. Thank you.
Wow!
Ay, kasha.
Alright, Carla is safe for tonight's vote. Okay? You cannot vote for Carla. Welcome to our tribal council. Carla, congratulations for winning. How do you feel?
Overwhelmed.
Anong lasa ng giant water bug?
Masarap yung pangalawa. Pero yung huli, para siyang may lasang buti lang.
Okay, Berhel, ikaw ay nasa chopping block last night. So, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Nakabahan. Pero,
Rayan, munti kang ka nang manalo. So, ano masasabi mo naman?
Sumabit ng unang ipis. So, well, deserve naman din ni Carla. Nilaban din naman.
Okay. Maylin, dahil wala na si Kat, ano ang strategy mo for tonight?
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang yung manalo nung ganun. Nung immunity.
Alright, let's vote. Start, Berhel. You're first.
parang hindi na masyadong ma-enjoy yung kanyang tama.
Kasi parang magkakatak.
mahirap siya kalaban.
Ay, undin.
For Jen, this is a strategy. We need to outnumber Deo, so yeah.
Superman ata ito. Grabe oh. Alin ba yung masakit? Ito.
Alright, I'll get the votes. Once the votes are read, the decision is final. Most number of votes received must leave the tribal council immediately. Alright, whoever got the hidden immunity idol, you can play it now. Okay, I'll read the votes. First vote. Jen. Second vote. RA. Third vote. Jen. 2 votes Jen, 1 vote RA. Next vote. Jen. 3 votes Jen, 1 vote RA. Next vote. Rayan. 2 votes Rayan, 3 votes Jen. Next vote. Jen. 4 votes Jen, 2 votes Rayan. RA. 3 votes RA, 4 votes Jen. 2 votes left. Jen. 5 votes Jen, 3 votes RA. It means Jen, I'm sorry, you're the second member of our jury.
Ayun ba?
Read the torch. Jen, the tribe has spoken.
Okay lang. I never thought na makakaabot ako sa ganitong level. Kasi nga, nung pumasok ako, akala ko, syempre yung, diba, yung first elimination pa lang, kasama ako sa mga SOUL survivor. Pero I'm happy din. Thank you.
Stay tuned for scenes from our next episode.
Ba't ako sa auction? Yes. Pero ako natatanggal.
Next time on Survivor.
Picturean ko kayo.
Guys, welcome to our Survivor auction. This is a special reward challenge where players are temporarily relieved from competing. It's an opportunity for them to bid for food and other comforts. Amidst the joy from the rewards they are receiving, unexpected turning point brought everybody break into tears.